OnPassive is our road to success. OnPassive is the road that all its founders are on, that leads to total success. The success that we have, in doing all that is humanly possible, to make this world a better place. We have come together, from all parts of the world to the road that only a few have traveled upon. OnPassive is taking us on this road around sharp curves, straightaways, climbing mountains, through valleys, through torrential rains, snow, blizzards, sleet, black ice, freezing cold, blazing hot weather, and every element, on our road, that could make OnPassive take a detour or exit from the road. OnPassive has stayed the course. There may have been some who might have wanted to get off OnPassive because of fear and doubt, because they thought that OnPassive could not do the job of getting us to the place called success. Then they started to notice how carefully OnPassive was traveling down that road to success. They did not see any other company on that road. They wondered, why is that so? Then they saw the reason. No other company has been built to navigate this road to success but one, OnPassive. No other company has ever cared and loved its passengers like OnPassive. OnPassive is safely getting everyone to that place we love called success. OnPassive will not lose anyone traveling with it. People all over the world are starting to realize that the road that other companies are taking them is not their road to success. They are leaving those companies to come aboard OnPassive. The company that is on the right road to success is OnPassive. The driver behind the wheel of OnPassive is its maker, Mr. Ash Mafare. Mr. Mafare knew how to build OnPassive to take all its passengers to the land of success. OnPassive is moments away from getting us to our target. Each passenger will soon safely get to their success. Despite all the things that we faced on that road, we are glad that we trusted OnPassive to get us there. We founders will feel the joy of being successful. How sweet is that? With OnPassive we are in it to win it. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.